अरे मुझे वही लग रहा है। हाँ बे। मुझे तो वही लगता है बे। आती होगी। हाँ। लाइट क्या कर सकते कर रहा हूँ ना क्लास में। हम्म,
Sabrar.
Right. So last class we have seen okay, we have seen mean terms and max terms, right? So here, so two inputs were taken A and B, right? So the output function f. So I have done an error here. Okay, so let me do it here. If this is A, this is B. Right, if you have 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, right? And output function f is in this way. let's say this is 0, this is 1, this is 1, this is 0, right? So how to write the max term? Sir, I'm in class.
सर ओके सर आपका क्लास सामने वाला
हाँ. Okay, if f is given in this way, mean term, how we were writing mean terms?
A bar
Mean
B
term.
plus AB bar.
Okay, for whichever output it is 1, we were finding out those input possible sets. Okay, and we were writing. So it was what? A bar B,
A bar B plus AB bar.
AB bar. Okay, AB bar. Right. And it was written like, see, right? We can write it as sum of small m. Okay, this is the zeroth term, small m0. This is small m0. This is m1, m2, and m3. So it is written as like this. Okay, what we have written here. So for max terms, how to write? Okay, max terms, how to write? This is written in sum of product form. Okay, sum of product form. So max terms, how to write? Let's see. Read this statement. Expression resulting in a 0 for the output of a single cell expression and 1 for all other cells. Max terms are represented taking this into consideration. Okay, right? So for mean terms, what we are looking at, where f is 1, where f is 1. Okay, for max term, we will be looking at where f is 0. Okay, where f is 0 and rewrite the things. Okay, let's take the table and see how we can write. Okay, let's say this is A, this is B, not getting thicker. This is A, this is B, let's say this is F. So this is 0, 0, okay, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, right? So F is written in this way, let's say 0, 1, 1, 0. So what we have to find? We have to find F bar. Okay, you can find F bar. So what will be F bar? It will be 1, 0, 0, 1. So in this way you can pick up these two by looking into F bar. Okay, if you look at F, we have to pick these two which are 0. Okay, if you are looking to the function, pick which is 0, and if you are looking to the complement of the function, pick which is 1 and write this statement. Okay, so what we will write? Who can say what we will write?
F plus F bar
F equals
LHS. What is LHS? F or F bar? If you write F bar, then what will be RHS?
A plus B dot A bar plus B bar.
A plus B dot A bar plus B bar. So first find out. So this is written as capital M0. Okay, this is written as capital M1. This is written as M2. This is written as M3. So for the first one, for this one, what we will write? If inputs are 0 and 0, what we will write?
A plus B.
A plus B.
B.
Okay, it's not A bar plus B bar. Okay, so for this set of inputs, it is written as A.
Plus B.
For this set of inputs, it is written as what?
A plus B bar.
For the third one, it is written
A bar
as
plus B.
fourth one.
A bar plus B bar.
Yeah. So we have to express the function in terms of sum of products or products of sum.
Product of sums.
In terms of product of sums. Okay. So this is called as product of
Sums.
sum. Okay. So in short, we call it as POS, product of sums. So if we write F bar is equal to, so what we will write?
A plus B dot A bar plus B bar. Sir,
Yeah, tell.
A plus B dot A bar plus B bar, sir. F bar equal to.
Okay, wait, just we lost the screen. Just a minute. Take this is A, B, and C. This is F. Okay. Let's say 0, 0, 0. Say 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0.
1, 1, 1.
Let's say I have taken F, okay, to be 1 here. Okay, F is 1. Then for second combination of 0, 0, 1, F is 0. Let's say this is 1, this is 0, this is 0, this is 1, 0, 1. I've taken some random values, okay, for the function. So function is 1 for different set of input combinations, right? So max term, how we will write max term? F is equal to,
Equal to.
okay, so let's say pi of
Capital M.
what we take this first one is capital M0, right? Capital M0. Second one is capital M1. Third one is
M2.
M2. Okay, fourth one is
M3.
okay. This is M4.
M4. M5.
M5. This is M6. This is M7. Right?
Answer.
So F will be what? What will be the answer? Pi of
Equal to A plus capital M.
capital M.
1 comma
Hmm.
3 comma 4 comma 5, 6.
Yeah, wherever it is 0, we have to pick them. Okay.
Answer.
Wherever it is 0, we have to pick them. So it is 1,
3,
3,
4, 6.
4, 6. Okay. 3 is not possible. 1, 3, 4, 6. Right? So this is written in terms of sum of product or product of sum.
Product of sum.
This represents product of sum. Okay.
POS.
POS. Okay. Right. So what will be the expression? F is equal to
A plus B plus C bar
multiplied with
A plus B bar plus C bar
right,
dot
next
A bar plus B plus C
third one
M A bar plus B plus C, sir. Dot
B plus C. Last one is
A bar plus B bar plus C.
C. A bar plus B bar. Why? This is 0.
Answer C.
So it will be A bar plus B plus C.
C bar plus C.
Okay, 1 1 0. Right, 1 1 0. A bar plus. This is A bar plus. Okay, B bar plus
C.
C. Right, this is the expression for max terms. Okay, this is the expression for max term. Right. So now what we'll do, let's see. If I take F complement here, what will be the answer?
0 1
Okay, this will be 0.
1 0 1 1 0 1 0.
Okay. Now, what I will do,
Here we can take one cell. Output where output is 1.
if we are considering where output is 1, okay, this one, okay, then we can write it in form of product of sum or sum of product. This is written in terms of product of sum when, okay, output we have taken as 0. Okay, when we have considered outputs to be 0, right? When outputs 1 are considered, okay, so this function can be written as F bar can be written as in terms of sum of products. Okay, so for which combinations, small m is equal
1
to 1,
3
okay,
4
3,
6.
4, 6, right? This is written in terms of sum of products. So we have considered output to be 1, right? Then this variable can be written in terms of sum of products, min terms. Okay, min terms, right? Now let's see, min term expression is this. Okay, what is max term expression? F is equal to, we got 1 3 4 6, isn't it? This is what we have written here. Okay, this line, okay, this line, what we have written, 1 3 4 6, right? Max term for the same set of inputs. Okay, so min term is written like this and max term is written like this. This is in terms of product of sum, that is max terms. What is LHS? Here it is F bar, this is F. Okay, so if you take complement of complement, what you'll get?
F.
Okay, let's check whether we are getting this or not. Okay, let's represent F bar is equal to sum of M 1 3 4 6. What we can write in terms of sum of products? M1, small m1 means what? Sum of products, small m1 plus
M2
m3.
plus M3 plus M4 plus M6.
What is M1 means what? M1 means small m1. Small m1, what we can write? This is equal to
A dot B dot C bar అనుకుంటా.
take.
A dot B dot C bar, sir.
Let me write it here. Okay, this is 0, 0, 0, 0,
0 1
0, 1,
0 0 1
0, 1,
0
1,
1
1,
1
0, 0, 1,
1
0,
not
1,
1.
1, 1, 0. Okay, small m1 means this one. Okay, this one can be written as what?
A dot B
A
dot
bar.
C bar. A bar.
This is min term.
Sir. A bar dot B bar
Hmm.
dot C.
Hmm. Hmm. Plus m3. This is 2. This is 3. A bar.
A dot B dot C
Hmm.
plus
Then
4.
m4. Okay,
A dot B
this is
bar
m4.
dot
Hmm.
A dot B bar plus C bar
Hmm. M6.
A dot B dot C.
A dot B dot
C.
C. Last one.
C bar,
M6.
sir. C bar.
Bar. Okay. So A, B, C bar. Right? So I guess we have written correctly 1. Okay. So this is 3. 1 means C. You can see the last one is without complement. 3 means last 2. Okay. 4 means this. 6 means this 2. Okay. Binary example. I mean weightage you can see. Okay. Right. So this is what? F complement. This is F complement. So we would like to find out F complement's complement. So what we will write here? We will write this is A bar B bar C plus A bar B C plus A B bar C bar plus
A B
A
C
B
bar.
C bar. It's whole
Whole C
complement.
bar.
Okay, whole complement. So whole complement means what? What can be written? A plus B whole bar. De Morgan's law. A bar dot
B bar.
bar. Okay, so this is A plus B plus C plus D bar. So A bar dot B bar dot C bar dot D bar.
D bar.
Okay, so what we can write? This is
A bar dot B bar dot C only bar. Sir, C only, sir. Not C bar.
yeah, right.
Dot
Sorry, dot.
A
A
bar
bar
B
B
C
C
bar dot A B bar C bar dot A B C bar. Whole bar.
right? Now A dot B dot C whole bar. What is formula?
A bar plus B bar plus C bar.
So you can write yes.
A bar bar plus
So this will be A bar
whole bar
A
plus
dot B dot C whole bar. Okay, De Morgan's law. I'm writing here.
sir.
A dot B bar is equal to A bar
Plus B bar. So
A
A bar
plus
bar
B bar
plus
is equal to A bar dot
whole bar. A bar bar, sir.
A bar
Bar. A complement, sir. Plus B complement
yes.
complement.
So what you will get?
A plus B plus C bar.
A plus B plus C bar. No, tell me De Morgan's law. Here.
A bar complement plus
Okay, so here this will be a bar bar
plus B bar bar
hmm,
plus C bar
okay, one term. Another
dot
term is
A
a
bar
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 plus B bar plus C bar
hmm,
dot
here you will get
A
a
bar
hmm,
plus
a
sir
bar plus
plus C bar bar
hmm,
dot
hmm,
A bar A bar plus B bar plus C bar bar.
right. Then we can write is so this is a plus b
Plus B plus C bar
hmm, this is
and
a plus
A
bar
plus B bar plus C bar.
this is a plus a
C
bar
bar
plus
sir.
c bar, right. This is a bar plus b plus c. Okay, this is a bar plus b bar plus c. Okay, so what is LHS is f complements complement. Okay, now
So F
f complement complement is f. Okay,
F
now let's this is in form of what, sum of product or product of sum?
product of sum.
Product of sum. So what we can
Sir.
write, this is m, what we can write,
One
a b
C
c bar. Okay, a b c bar.
one
Okay, a b c bar, what will be the expression? It is
one
1. See
C
where complement is there. Okay, so this is 3, this is
four
this is
and six.
okay, so this is what we got it right here, 1346. Okay, 1346, let's check. Okay, so all of you see, right?
Yes
So any truth table given, right? So if you complement the output, f is equal to f complement, you can represent it in terms of min terms. When you pick the output value once and take all possible input combinations, we can write it in terms of min terms. Okay, min terms means sum of products. So if you take the output and pick where they are 0 and choose those input combinations, we can write them in terms of product of sums, that is max terms. Okay, let's take another example. Okay, let's take another example and try it. Take a b c f. Okay, this is what given to you, or in question or let's say this is 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. Okay, I've taken this to be 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. Okay, now represent it using max terms. Okay, max term means which things you have to choose, this one, right, this combinations. So what you can write, f is equal to sum of,
capital M
okay, Okay, 0, 1. This is 2, 3, 6.
6, 7.
Right. 2, 3, 6, 7. So write an expression for f. So f can be written as what? This can be written as 2 means what? What you can write? This is a plus
B
b
bar
bar.
plus C.
Then
A
a plus b plus a plus b bar
C,
plus.
C bar.
Okay. Now let me ask someone.
A
B
plus
can,
B plus C bar.
yeah, yeah. You wait. We'll ask B10 people. B10 roll number 10. B10 roll number 10. Saisri. B10 roll number 10. Respond quickly. B10 13. Jayant. 13 roll number 13. Roll number 13 B10. Are you there? Roll number 16. B10 16. B10 21. B10 21. 26. Rishi. B10 26. Six. Absent. 32. Gangadhar. B10 32. B10 32. B10 6. B10 6. 5.
Yes, sir.
Tell.
A
F.
bar,
Hmm.
A bar plus B bar
A bar plus B bar.
plus C
Hmm. Next one.
dot A bar plus B bar plus C bar.
Right. Good. Okay. Now take complement of this. F complements complement. So what I will write?
Sir,
Hmm.
Last one, A bar plus B
Yes,
bar
yes,
plus
yes.
C bar.
C bar. F complements complement. Tell rule number 5 how we'll do.
We'll take whole complement, sir.
Then what we will get?
Using De Morgan's law,
Hmm.
if we take it as A, B, C, D,
Hmm.
we can write it as A plus B plus C plus D, whole complement.
Whole complement. This is A dot B dot C dot D complement. I have done a mistake here. So this is F bar. Okay, F bar. We are calculating F bar, right?
Yes.
F bar. Okay.
Mm.
So, hmm. So this is A dot B dot C dot D A dot B complement is equal to A complement plus B complement.
B complement.
So this will be its complement plus this complement, right? Is it correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
Hmm. C bar complement. Next, what we will get?
Again, we'll write this A plus B bar plus C whole complement into A
A.
complement.
Hmm. What we will get? Answer for this. A plus B plus C
Shall I
bar.
say
But
direct
A bar.
answer, sir?
Ah. Hmm. A bar.
Uh,
Next
A
step you
bar,
tell. Stepwise you tell. Hmm.
okay.
A bar.
A bar whole complement,
Hmm.
B bar whole complement, complements whole complement,
So here you will get how much? A plus B. A plus B bar. Formula is A bar dot B bar, right?
yes,
Hmm. A bar dot B bar. B complement is B.
B,
This is C complement,
C
right?
complement
Hmm.
plus
Hmm.
A complement
Hmm.
plus dot B
Hmm.
dot C
Hmm.
plus A dot B dot
Hmm.
C complement plus A dot B dot C.
Right. So this is what F complement. Okay, F complement. So from table, if we find F complement from tabulation, from table, okay. So F complement is equal to, this means what we can write? We can write this is sum of A bar B C bar, means what? What is the value? A bar B C bar.
Oh,
For this is in terms of sum of products. Okay, sum of products means which is not complement, you can see them. So this one, so this is
2,
one. Okay, so it's like 0 1 0. This is 2.
2,
Okay, this
3,
is like 0 1 1. It's 3.
6,
Okay, this is 6. Okay,
and
this
7.
is 7. Okay,
Yes.
from table we will verify 2 3 6 7. These values should be 1 for F complement. Okay, let's go to table 2 3 6 7. So let's find here F complement. This is 0 0 1 1.
1,
Okay, so 2 3, this is 0
1.
small m0, I can write m1, m2, m3, m4, m5, m6, m7. Okay, so 2 3
6 and 7.
7. Okay, we got it right.
Yes.
Okay, we got it here. Right. So what we have learned today is, if f is given, okay, what is f? Let's say f is output, okay, based on some input combination, okay, then we can represent output in terms of min terms and max terms. Okay. We can write them in terms of min terms and max terms. Okay. So we'll stop here. Next class, we will take few more examples, how to, what we'll say, a function is given, we will find a max term, and we will take Boolean algebra and other methods what we have learned to reduce those expressions into smaller expressions. Okay. Right. B10 CR, are you there? B10 CR. B10 CR 46. B10 CR, respond. B9 CR. B9 CR. B9 CR.
Sir,
38. What is your number?
38, sir. Roll number 38.
B10 CR.
Sir, B10 CR, sir.